long ago, in a quiet valley surrounded by hills, there lived a humble farmer named Elias and his wife, Myra. They owned a small patch of land near the river. Every morning they worked with bare hands, turning the heavy soil, hoping that the earth would one day reward their effort with golden fields of grain. One spring, after days of digging and sowing, Elias and Myra returned home, tired but happy. Yet the very next morning, when they came back to the field, their joy turned to despair. The earth looked as if no hand had touched it. Not a single furrow remained. It was flat and touched as though the soil had swallowed all their labor. Confused but determined, they tried again. They dug, they planted, and again they left, praying the seeds would take root. But the following morning, the same miracle or curse had happened. The field was smooth and empty. On the third day, Elias grew suspicious. He sharpened his old spade and told Myra, "Tonight, I will stay and see what steals our work." So when the sun went down, he hid among the bushes at the edge of the field. Hours passed. The moon rose. Crickets sang. And then he heard a soft melody, high and clear, unlike any sound he had ever known. From the darkness appeared a small bird, shimmering with colors that shifted like moonlight on water. It perched on a branch, tilted its head, and began to sing. The song was not a song of sorrow or joy but of power. As it sang, the ground trembled gently. Slowly, the furrows in the field began to roll back, as if the earth itself obeyed the bird's voice. Within moments, all the farmer's labor vanished into smooth soil. Elias' heart pounded. He leapt from the bush, ready to strike the bird down with his spade. But before he could, the bird spoke not with words from its beak, but with a voice that rang directly in his mind. "Spare me, farmer. Harm me not, and I will give you a gift more precious than fields of grain." Elias froze. "And what gift could a small bird give me?" The creature replied, "Each dawn, I can fill your cup with milk sweeter and richer than any from cow or goat. It will make your family strong, and your village will know joy. Let me live, and I will serve you faithfully." The farmer lowered his spade. "Very well. But first, sing the earth back into furrows, ready for sowing." The bird spread its wings, sang again, and this time the field was tilled perfectly, as though many strong oxen had worked all night. With careful hands, Elias caught the bird gently, placed it in a woven basket, and carried it home to Myra. From that day forward, the bird kept its promise. Every morning, as the first light touched the valley, it filled a wooden cup with milk, white as snow and warm as fresh bread. Elias and Myra drank it, and soon their cheeks grew rosy, their steps lighter, their hearts stronger. Word spread through the village. Neighbors came, curious about the farmer's newfound health. Instead of hiding the secret, Elias and Myra shared the milk freely. Old men found new strength in their bones. Children laughed with brighter eyes. Even the sick began to heal. The valley, once weary and poor, blossomed with life. All because one man chose mercy over anger, and one small bird sang not only for the earth, but for the hearts of all who lived nearby. Moral true wealth does not come from taking life, but from protecting it. Mercy can turn hunger into plenty and despair into hope.